Well, hello there. How are you guys? This is Professor Hackett. I just wanted to stop in and do a quick video for you guys. I try to do at least two or three of these during the course of the class so that everybody can just kind of stay on the same page, and I want to answer any questions that everybody has. So I just wanted to do a quick one for week one or going into week two. So welcome to the class. It looks like everybody has joined us on the boards, and you guys are making good posts, and you're figuring out where to turn in your assignment. So it looks like everything is good over in the land of the internet class. I wanted to first of all tell you guys my policy is I do grades on Mondays. Well, I post grades on Mondays. I do grades all throughout the week, but I post grades on Mondays. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to put all your grades in the grade book. And then after I put your grades in the grade book, I will put an announcement up that says your grades are complete. And I will send that announcement to you in an email so that you can go and check your grades and let me know if you have any questions. Please try not to send me an email that says, I saw that you didn't grade this or I didn't have a grade for that. If you haven't gotten that email at the end of Monday, it just means I'm not done with your grades yet. So keep that in mind. The second thing is the discussion board. Y'all are doing a good job on the board, so keep that up. But I wanted to address like when I put a post up in the board for you, and you guys like I'm trying to think of it. Okay, like this week we had a vocab post, I think. So it was like list a what is an expatriate or what is like a PCN or something like that. You can respond to my posts only once, and then you have to respond to the posts of other students. So it's like you can't do one post in response to my question and tell me what an expatriate is, and then you can't do another post and tell me what like a PCN is because technically that's all in one post because you're answering the same question. So I guess what I'm trying to say is you can't get credit for answering the same question over and over again. That's kind of, you know, wrong, even if it's a different answer. And I do not mind you guys starting threads as long as they are related to what we're doing for the week. I do, however, have an issue with keeping the board neat. I know it's kind of crazy, but call me crazy. I have an issue with keeping the boards neat. So if you start a thread, don't start like two or three threads with the same topic. Try to keep them all streamlined. If you could, guys, please post your discussion questions in the discussion post because it helps me when I'm grading. I don't have to look everywhere to try to find where your answers are to the discussion questions. So, for purposes of organization and to help me with your grading, just, kind of keep the post in some kind of order for me. And the second thing is I do come to the class six or this is like the fourth thing, but I do come to the class 6 out of 7 days a week. I do take one day off a week and it's not always the same day. So if you send me an email, I'm going to try to respond to it within 24 hours of when I see your email. Not 24 hours of when you send the email, 24 hours from when I see it. So just remember those are two different things, but I'm going to get back to you as soon as I can. Um, hmm, I can't think of anything else right now. Your grades, the discussion board, your projects, everybody looks good with the country that you want to do for your projects, so you can go ahead and start on those. It does have to be a PowerPoint, but you don't have to do a paper. So don't do a PowerPoint and a paper, just do a PowerPoint. Make sure in your PowerPoint that you go by the rubric because a lot of times students miss the part about doing the plan for when you come back home or doing some kind of future training. So make sure that you have that in your project. If I were you, I would not wait until week 5 to start working on it. I would start working on it now. Just do like a couple slides a week and it won't take you that long to do it. It doesn't have to be like this, extravagant PowerPoint. We're not gonna like post it in the the Grand Central Station, but try to do your best to make it look nice and neat for the class. I'm the only one that's going to see it. You're not going to have to present it over like Skype or anything like that. So that's that. I can't think of anything else. I realize this video might be a little bit crazy, but it's like my seventh time and I'm not gonna start over. So you get what you get on this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. You can call me. My number is 901 273 7073, or it might be 7370. It's in the class though, whichever one it is. I do take phone calls. I don't mind you calling me. I don't mind you texting me. I will get back to you however it is that you desire. So again, I just wanted to say welcome. I hope you all are having fun already. I hope that you've learned something during week 1. And I'll see you again toward the middle of the class. All right, have a good one. Night.